Everyone, so today is going to be the 13th video of configuring Emacs from scratch. So today we are going to look at a package which is already pre-installed in the Emacs. It's called hideshow mode, and we'll see how to use it. And let's see. So first of all, we're going to go to the section on variables and mode, and here actually I install or configure all the default packages that are there. So let's write the header here, hideshow mode. Okay, and let's get our Emacs Lisp Tangle section. Now here I can actually get a subheader also. Anyway, so the hideshow mode is actually having this function score which starts from HS minor mode. Now what I want to do is to not only enable it in everywhere. So let's see how to do that. So first of all, we need to make the addhook, and here I want to make it for all the programs modes. So the prog mode hook is actually going to be installing like whatever the hooks we add, it will install it to or attach it to all the programs. Programmable hooks are like that, like for example elisp or something like Python, whatever the programs we can write. So on those it will actually add this thing anyway. And lambda is a custom function which actually gonna be we are using this function to make sure to get all the mode write something here. So if you have some other function which is already defined somewhere else, you can just get a symbol name and write the function name. And if you don't have something like that and you just want the function to be some line of codes to be installed here, you can just write it after this lambda definition here. So HS minor mode is sorry about that. So HS minor mode is something we are actually interested in, hideshow minor mode, and we're gonna make sure that all of the programmable mode that Emacs had, it should enable by default. Now I'm gonna change some of the global bind keys that it has for minor mode. Global set okay, so company kind of interfered with some of the things here. Anyway, so global set key, and here kvd, and here I'm going to define the bind key itself, key binding. So by default the prefix of hideshow mode is control C and then ampersand at the rate sign, and I'm going to change some of it. Let me see that if I have it here right now. Okay, I don't have it. Maybe here. Let me open another file and let's see if I can give a demo on that one. What I'm trying to do. Okay, no. And as in this project, tic-tac-toe game. Okay, anyway. So control C add is undefined because the global HS minor mode, it's not defined yet. Now I have defined. If I press question mark, you can see all the default bindings it has, HS show all, toggle, and all these things. Now these are pretty good if you can remember it, but I really find it hard to remember all these bindings. So I'm gonna change some of that. So what I'm gonna do, so this is gonna be for hiding it all, and let me just type it first. So hide block, show block, and hide all, show all. Now I'm gonna give a demo in a minute of these things. So by default all these things are there, but I think this is, for me, it is much more simpler to have these things like this. Now let me open the init file and do evaluate buffer. Okay, so this is done, and let me go to one Elist code that I was working on. So anyway, so as you can see, this has a long list of comments. Then we have some function definition and some constant and some variable I'm defining, and again there is some derived mode definition, some more definitions are here, defense are here. Now so I have given Control-C this one, and if I press @ once more, you can see these are all hiding it. So all this 40 lines of comments, it just hid it. Then the defund definition, it will only go to the arguments. Def const and def is just a single line, so it can't do much. And derived mode, it actually gives some of the doc string, and if you can see, for other things it only has the variables, like whatever the arguments it has, that's it. And it's possible to make individual defund show, and it is also possible to make individual defense hide like this, like some unless statement if you just want to hide, or if you just want to hide the full, you can also do that. And next time if you want to show, the same key binding will work for unshowing the closed group, the code blocks. So like that it works. Okay, so this is, I'm gonna put this on the main GitHub repo. Hope you liked it, and please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.